Anyway, away from that, yɛkɔ ɔdan na yɛnkɔ toa yɛnkɔmmɔ no so ɛwɔ hɔ no mu. Na ɛnra so bɛka yɛ a yɛdi kan abreki edema o ɛna mesɛ sisu biem sɛ one aspirant a ɔno so ɛkɔ ɛma ɔmogyina so ayɛ no vet no ɔmato ne so aba ɛyɛ Dennis Obeng Agyei ɔno so ne vet no akwakɔ yi bibia wɔ hɔ no mu. Na ɔmo kyerɛ mu a abranteɛ akwakɔ kasa tia the sitting member of parliament ama ɛno so ho asɛm akwakɔ yi deja ama sisi ɔmo disqualify no. Na ɛno ho ɛna the regional chairman of the NPP wɔ the eastern region a yɛfrɛ no Jeff Kunadu ɛde nsɛm bi ɛde ato dwa. Ma yɛtie no yɛkɔba a yɛbɛkɔ na yɛne Dennis Obeng Agyei ɛdi nkɔmmɔ.
For now, that gentleman has been referred to the disciplinary committee of the Akyem Odo Constituency. This was simply due to certain infractions
specifically
that borders on constitutional discipline in our party, that he could not do so. I mean, there were petitions coming from the constituency that we saw evidence of it. He on radio inciting market women and people against our party, and he admitted it in the committee and apologized for it. We have evidence of a radio interview that insults left, right, center going on, and he admitted it and apologized. We had instances of text messages that it's so bad. Instances where we receive petitions where he has blatantly disregarded National Council directives that were given. All of it were brought to the committee, and he admitted it and apologized, asking us to, allow him because he's apologizing. But the committee found that he should have been referred to the disciplinary committee in Akyem Odo Constituency for disciplinary actions to be meted. But that was not done. So quickly, the committee referred this matter to the disciplinary committee in Akyem Odo so that they will advise the committee on what to do next. If the constituency, if he purges himself on those disciplinary issues, the committee will also.
I see. So we are the regional chairman of the NPP in the Eastern region. Here Jeff Kunadu and I know any exception for Eddie Komo about the behavior and attitude of Dennis Obeng Agyei or no call into contest say Nankaja or convert ni we are betting me Ejina to the Swaba. I mean, okay, say Dennis Obeng Agyei ewa humane so me any common misa say na Dennis ona one or yasana now to be the WMP attempt left right back and front in ano.
Yo, mini JV, memoaha, we Onua tie for you na. Say, may an honorable person, may be assembly member 8 years. Sanonya ya enka yan tumen so aba in plenu. Sabi. Honorable MP, asuma amount for say you look me. Look at 95.1. Issue no police headquarters. Yen can we
Dennis Nyabutreo, the member of parliament.
Yes, I know that you are on tape.
Yes, Tobo. I'm just shocked. Or say the MP, Esuma Kofo say Yemra Mekun for what reason? And this is a national radio and of course TV station at Okasa also. Enough evidence to prove what you're saying.
There were enough evidence to prove that.
On any day, say police for on any day, say CID for Eto Safra, I'll bet me I'll give you reasons beyond reasonable doubt to say the MP Esuma Kofo some Ramejo confuse him.
Menoka say case no crowd there. Some medical kind.
Onua FM 95.1
National headquarters, homicide department. I think somewhere July 2021, and I said I date limiting, but I can produce all these evidence later. Some more for me. Andra, before the committee, now will be a petition. One, unknown person, meaning the petition committee. Two, I was ambushed because and coming in the petition there, you made the starting petition. And come I'll be known, I'll be in the known. Nanke if you make cohono, me justifications and other responses. We could do honana or mubitami. They've written a lot of petitions against me. And I'm saying, what are some of the petitions? What are the petitions? And now, chairman of the committee, Dr. Lord Committee, a kind petitions, you know, a chairman. And now, me trying to say, I have no, well, I mean, if my memory tells me right, these were the statements and these were the petitions. One, almost say, mini party card, me producing a party card, chair. Two, almost say, Manatra MP, no, and after my year MP, no. Shromo say, in 2021, June 15th,
oh, Dennis.
Yeah.
Baby, your mommy, why? That's all I need to see. Hello, Dennis. Hey. Where they are not doing. Master be so trying to raise in the back of the line now. And then and to us so now so very, very interesting and very shocking revelations. And if we Dennis Obeng Agyei Honomo Eba said on one member of parliament Odo Constituency. Asuman Kofo so mumra mejin nkwanfri nsem. Mbisa ne says as wo evidence. I bet me approve beyond reasonable that I say I on any day. You bet me a friend. Say pay for friend now obeko not the home. Adasi dia kwa koma won watch the one nitia. The member of parliament pen kwa Jeffrey nsem no. But as to say a DNT na opeso jene kwa friend nsem na eno guso a ocheche mu a na homa no etwetwesi. Enche yebesa so a reason the back of the line yet me. This very particular enkomo eno eye. Now, this is a very serious allegation and a very serious issue. Here, try say yes, Abeka, the honorable member of parliament, also of that constituency now. Yet me, Abisano say, Anye Bia. Now, the man of done in whom we did here was also edited parliament, Osman Kofo Momoje, Obi Enkwefrin in Semim. This is a very serious issue. Until, say, it be proved, and I say, until, say, the member of parliament Baba responded no Onua FM and Media General yet is associated from this very particular comment made by the Dennis Obeng Agyei for making this allegation. So Onua to me Gina Fidie so I can say more than enough evidence there. And no it's enough for him to justify near Onua Kasa Eka no. So that on any day say CID4 na say Ghana Police Service for to sa ed friend na obetumi akwa koyi ne ho ano na che say only the member of parliament na tumi akwa ko deal with the issue the way it is. But until then there Media General there we are disassociated from this very particular issue home. But Mesaka Dennis back on the line. Eti Dennis Ekoban is saying and Ekowie is saying and akwa kowie saying.
Okay, and Mr. Committee you know more can kind and money in our chair and petitions that and for phobia crazy petitions you know and I'm you know and the cancer and the committee said by Dr. Lord Comey as I said what did they do on refer my chairman in my presence and I'm going to say okay me excuse the committee to be paid for about 20 minutes and almost come what they were talking about. They are not going to take a decision on the matter. And I'm inviting me back in. I'm inviting me back in, no. Me that chance here, pet. And I'm going to say, and I'm a call, yeah. And I'm a train. I think after 30 minutes, almost invited me in. The buy no na almost deliberately on the petitions, some kind of party card, me super card, moment I would BM say, my MP, no, I'm saying no, my MP, no, it was a flip of tongue, and no crano, you come for a handful, I could part all, I'm a MP, no car say, me use the same medium and apologize of which, yeah, and say 2021 attempt. 15th July, 15th June 2021 assembly. I think they can't. That's the way we are. Almost like I said, my incited people against the MP. Yeah, people are wabo. Me buta of committee and say, when I'm incited, no. Now when and for your recipients of that message, editing to minimum what in the thirdly, almost like I say, me I'm a lady the demonstration at some of that market women and mom demonstrating against the MP. Say on that market in your mama and some can answer me in area no and some say well minimum of what in the so in finality as someone regional chairman Rebecca say two options. May withdraw my candidature and I say they'll refer the issue to the disciplinary committee or council level. And I'm saying, well, Mr. Omo, we knew how long this will take because running now a process. Mr. Omo claim I mean some because they want development, they want change, they want a useful person obetumi asoma almost sumana obekona or the development about a year after a long deliberation, almost repair issue, come on, a constituency disciplinary committee. And to me, I think and yes, because that was not the mandate of the. Well, I can't show them their mandate, but that was not the mandate of the committee.
The vetting committee. Very well.
The vetting committee. Ebia na esenka. Said omo kind na esenka omo yes omo come asem there na man can. And I be pure. And yet this year the vetting committee is not supposed to talk on discipline or anything. And sabi okromo me come busa committee ne say enti me hwemo why na wo ha na no fom da ana na no tra obi da. Ana omutu say I was making sense. Enti I think the committee should really consider and approve me. I don't know why whoever wrote the petition will have to write that. And no show contest and that's in several instances I would say minister and all these things. I don't see why I say we show contest. Now person on the post.
Nti o no committee na your 10 hunara kwa na se ye do ho hi na e disqualify.
Omomtra committee no chaired by Dr. Lord Comey which means your 10 hu na nipa no tro a petition and I and they meet me at studio because the omoka idea one the meet me at when you so kakra yeah, say my not trying to. Now, some pono, my apologize. I don't see why SAP and obey any evidence to the claims of the man or charges and allegations to the man or see, much committee,
So it clearly means say Onua MP Muntemu enye fine.
Oh, be the MP or can openly. Is on record. I can provide you all these things.
Say
Mimi assemblyman make a second term or campaigning openly in churches and programs. A catch your mouth on it or no be MP, no minimum yajuma, and woman to abandoning a mammy. And I come up for humanity as you say. And you're not a baby detective. I had the highest vote in the constituency. And whom as a threat. That is what they have started. And I make a say. Obonko fopa say omo what tell me na nyamia okanipa ho no nim nipa kuma mu obinya audio no ana return me a me de koma homicide unit
And I just say contest na be ko bi ninti na MP ni fa afa ho tan a opese oje wo nkwa firi wo nsam yi.
Well, at that time, I mean, declare intention, say, meba a contest, no. Ebiana was shepherd ticket, Sacrament who said that piano, maybe two, and don't see maybe or start that time, not the hair. I can't tell, but I know, say, the vetting committee would also set up, will sit on a case, sorry.
It's
on a case.
It is a case we, would throw. Sakes we buy all the police station, and I say, party assembled to Jama Naka, say, oh, yeah, the day.
Never talk case there.
Near Ose or Bog for pass of Mukui.
2021 at the moon.
And I'm making.
Oh, our national homicide unit, police headquarters.
I see. From 2021 up to now, Munyan can't wash in show.
You could do come on, a year tensions are calming down. But I think, say, so more could that issue. They want to open up old wounds, for which me who say it will not be good for the 2020 because I think say Chrono enya pizza ehwehwe na nipa ba ko a ubedi MP okrom ho they've been division ene bata ana ekoso okrom ho enya correct.
But away from that, according to chairman that is Jeff Kunedu, I say who admitted say no crese udidi MP atem ekeka sema ensem fata e de kire no e wo committee nanim.
Me pacho say na me kan no. Omo bo tape bi e kire me. And I always make sure say me apologize say.
That's our tape na ye wa kasa woni.
Yes, but it was doctored because na enye full audio nti me ka kire omo ho say it is not a full audio. No, I apologize to the committee. I have already apologized to the MP, to my chief, and myself. I use the medium, no more catch and I have a proof of it. But Bianca, almost copy me the petition. Say, this is what is going to happen there, and come me evidences, and then so no responses. And Bianca, I'm not sure say, Omeka said me almost refer back to the constituency. And come claim it because there are justifications to someone who can. But I dare cry, I mean, constituency executives now. I don't know the composition of whoever or mobile, but me committee, vetting committee, more or move in a year and someone if you hold banana. I don't see they are the right people to sit on the matter. Nanka, if you visit Nanka Bianca, I think I call national. Nanka national for Kokasem, Ibia, no, Biakuma, a bed, Everton, Yem, Nanka. Asumbi, even though say, Nanka attention, oh, baby, Nemuno, fairness, Kakra.
And see, if free summary, ya copim say, now what should be called the way of which, of course, and the last working day. Was and I watch you. If free me, I don't want next week a deconi now. No say, or one revert to and someone for one map back to the ballot sheet and as someone claim want to me a contest to be a obey a day. Or the injection better so an answer obey a day.
I didn't think it was him. And he, missing your mamma again. Adaroma.
Na sumie no be mo adwen but adwen be no wadi ka fa wo tiri mu ansa na be so bia mo adwen
me show mani man ansa ma fa adwen no
a wo be ja ne sa kwa so okay o mo aka se wadi di MP na tem nti o ma disqualify nti no wa fa de sa na wo ko baby
minim say committee no enka se me di MP na tem nti o ma disqualify because the regional chairman is on tape me no ka say I have it okay say there will be no disqualification of anybody. And now, I think to say, disqualified will be this Nipano is not in good standing. Nipano our criminal record. Nipano our mental challenge. Time and several million so many and to sure say committee no Becate or disqualify me.
But say Omokasa in good standing now, which of course I want me as specify a open statement. And to say what could you do member of parliament at Tema? And also, it also amount to somebody one for a boni Nidian for man, a member of parliament, until you are not in a good standing to contest for that particular seat.
Me assure says, if you be and the committee will not hesitate to give me outright disqualification.
Very well. There is Mami Fawusi and I mean now na Bibiani Ebesaso to Safro.
Yo, Medasi.
Mr. Medasi, Dennis Agyei, a aspiring member of parliament. Now, you trust a befriend the member of parliament. Your friend Akwesi Aqua. You trust a befriend is in fact your friend or answer your call. Just to justify, say, Anyebia on the board pass it, Omuko Ekwaji Dennis, Ekra, a friend in Samuyana. But you trust your friend, your friend, producer friend on PK. But anytime of Befabiano, you don't know every and come on now, yet me find it out.
Onua 95.1 FM. 95.1 FM. Yeah,